Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Chandraveer Singh Rathod from Jaipur, Vaishali Nagar. Today I will teach you about driving class. So my student also with me. So firstly I introduce from my student. So hello sir.
Hello.
आपका क्या नाम है?
Hi, my name is Jasraj
And
Singh.
your driving class which day you take?
This is my last day of the driving class.
Okay. You take problem in which
So I'm
topics?
still learning the U-turn and reverse, especially when you make a U-turn with a sharper angle, you have to reverse, so making sure you have enough space so you can turn back without stopping too much and without being hassle to the other oncoming traffic.
So okay, these all thing needs to practice. So if you after that this driving class you need some more practice, है ना? Then you do practice and your concept is clear.
Okay.
Finishing is coming.
Yes.
Okay. So second thing is that कि firstly you are driving first time and you drive before also.
I've driven before, but I've driven the manual cars before. Automatic cars before. This was the first time learning the gear cars and using the clutch to drive. And also, this is the first time driving on the right side of the vehicle. I'm used to driving on the left side driving. I have driven motorcycles in Jaipur before, and that's been a while. So the street sense is very different than other cities and other countries. So that also takes some time, making sure you're aware of all your surroundings and you're always aware of your road and what's upcoming, and you're thinking 2 steps ahead.
Okay. So we will teach how to drive car. So firstly we starting from steering wheel, then I will tell about paddling, and after that I will tell gearing, how to apply gear, and when gear is applying, when gear becoming in down. Okay. So firstly how to hold steering wheel in clock 9 and 3. Okay, according to 9 and 3.
Yes.
Okay. This one is indicator switch, and for right downside and for left upside. Okay. How to on headlights, you know?
Twist.
Yes. 2 times turn and 2 times return to off. Okay. And this one is gear. We have 5 gears in front and 1 gear in reverse. This lane is neutral lane. Okay. Press clutch and apply first gear. Okay. Practicing. So second gear. Okay. Third. Good. Fourth. Okay. Fifth gear apply karo. Okay. Neutral and then reverse. Okay. Neutral. Okay. Today I will tell how to take reverse car. Okay. So firstly reverse. This one is the reverse gear R. Okay. Apply totally, take right, push right and down back. Okay. And for reversing we have to see in side view mirrors. Okay. Properly. Because we don't have rear camera and sensors in my car. That's why. Okay. Handbrake down. Okay. Accelerator, releasing clutch with accelerator. Slowly. Yes, good. Look in side view mirrors. One time in this right and second time left. Right, left. Yes. Move over. Releasing clutch. Yes. Backside truck is standing, so you steering take turn in right side. Turn right side steering. Yes. More. Yes. Look in left side view mirror. Yes. Safely going. Yes. Releasing clutch. Slowly. One lady is coming from left side, so yes. Move. Vehicle is off. Engine is off, so start. Retake self. Yes. ठीक है. Apply first gear. ठीक है. Move. Firstly look in side view mirror, then we can move. apply second gear. So friends, for driving, presence is very important for driving. Every drivers drive according presence. We take left from this red light. So firstly you give left indicator, and second in watch in side view mirror, left side view mirror, and slow down and come down in second gear. Okay, more slow or yes, good, perfect. Firstly release clutch and return steering and take accelerator. Apply third. Good. Deeper, use deeper like that in same situation. Slow down, come down in second gear. At speed breaker, we have to need applying braking because car is jumping on this, so wheel alignment is out and distract. Third. Our gears depend on our speed. When we increase speed, so we have to need apply upper gear. Yes, good. Slow more. Yes, good. First gear apply. Take accelerator, few accelerator level, and go straight. Look here. Second. Yes. When you drive in road, so you're lane driving your car. This one is the fast lane and this is slow lane. If you drive above 40, so you can drive in fast lane. If you drive below 40, so you can drive in slow lane. We take right turn from ahead. Yes. Good. Press clutch. Second. Come down in second. From ahead. Right. Yes. From this way. Accelerator drop and then apply third gear. So when you need to apply brake, so firstly press clutch and then after that press braking. If your vehicle is under 40 speeding, press clutch and take left turn. Release clutch and move. Look back in side view mirror. One vehicle is overtaking, so please give side. Okay. When you take overtake from front vehicle, so please give horn. Press on. Yeah. We go straight. Yes. Leg come on brake because we have to need safety and this circle roundabout, and we will go straight. So look in left side view mirror and then move. The use of fifth gear above 60 like that highway, so we have clearance on road, we have space, so we apply fifth gear. Good. In fifth gear our vehicle is taking, we can go in top speed and torque, reduce torque and getting top speed. So if you go long drive on highway, if you have space on highway clearance, if you getting clearance, so you can apply fifth gear, because vehicle give good average and you getting top speed from vehicle. So I hope you like video, so you like, share and subscribe video. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.